may be wondering what a YouTube handle is. This kind of confused me a while back. So YouTube handles are unique channel identifiers that begin with an @ symbol. For example, our handle on YouTube is vidIQ. That's those guys, that's their handle. These short names are designed to help you find and connect with other creators. So mine is @DeclanHigginsSM. So yeah, you can share your handle. In other words, it's a way of shortening down your YouTube channel link to share it with others. You could share it in your description, or as well when I say comment on other YouTube videos that I like, supporting other creators, my comment comes up as under Declan Higgins SM. So that uniquely identifies my channel. That's what a YouTube handle is. You can actually change your YouTube handle. I've done this once or twice. I used to be Declan Higgins Digital Marketing, but I thought it was long and it didn't really represent my channel. So I've shortened it down to @Declan Higgins SM. You have a number of days. There's a number of days before you can change it back again. There's various rules around it also on what you can use. It'll come up red and you won't be able to change them. Just play around with it for a while and you'll figure out you can't use ones that are already taken by other channels as well. So I shortened mine down to Declan Higgins SM. I guess shorten it down as much as you can. Declan Higgins Stock Market, that's what that represents. So I'm Declan Higgins Stock Market and Business. So I just shorted it down to Declan Higgins SM in order to find my channel quickly. I hope this has helped, and that's what a YouTube handle is, a unique identifier for your channel that you can share across various platforms in order to help grow your channel and that people will recognize it quickly. And also, as I said, on YouTube comments, it shows up as, say, Declan Higgins SM. Or in this case, these guys here, it's @vidIQ. Hope this helped, and if it did, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with more and more people. Thanks for watching, and take care.